In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. By launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all photos you wish to add. Common problem is though, if you can't find them here, you don't have to scroll down for ages, just hit Photos, tap on the chosen one and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To take a photo and add it, use those two arrows at the top right corner of camera section. Take a pic and wait. It will be automatically added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!